How did the ancient Egyptians build their monumental structures with such precision? Using advanced mathematics and astronomy, they meticulously planned and aligned their constructions, like the Great Pyramid of Giza. They employed simple yet effective tools such as plumb bobs and levels, and utilized grid systems for accuracy. Massive stones were quarried with copper tools and transported on sledges across wetted sand. Ramps and levers helped lift and position stones with incredible precision. Skilled and well-organized laborers played a crucial role, and trial assemblies ensured perfect fits. Detailed records and a focus on long-term stability showcase their engineering prowess, resulting in structures that have stood the test of time. Subscribe our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.